I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk to you about the use of color in your woodworking projects. We use stains and dyes and stuff like that, and the use of color and knowing how to mix them and apply them is really important. I haven't done any flat work in quite a while, but I just got the feeling like I wanted to do it again. So I'm sitting here and I'm working on a wood duck portrait. But the point of this is that the use of color here is the same if you're putting a dye or a stain on a piece of furniture, or you're adding color to one of your carvings or something like that. So you really have to understand the color wheel, how to lighten colors, how to darken colors, how to use light and shadow. All of that is really important. Here on a flat piece of artwork, the use of light and shadow is really important to portray realism. So I just wanted to drop in on you, and I haven't made a video in quite a while. I've been busy with other things. I had a small woodworking project for the church, building a couple podiums that kept me busy, plus hunting season. I feel bad about not making a video in a while, so I thought I'd just jump in here real quick and talk to you about the use of color. So one tip, I'll give you a quick tip. Just like in the use of black, when you use black in your painting or any time you use the color black, you don't want to use black right out of the tube. And this goes back to mixing color. If you use ultramarine blue, this is phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, and burnt umber, that'll give you a black that's really good for any kind of wildlife and stuff like that, but it's good for anything. The reason why you don't want to use black out of the tube as opposed to this is because this allows you to shift the coolness or darkness of the color, warmth of the color, back and forth depending on your light and all that other stuff. So this gives you a lot more flexibility, and it actually looks better in the end. So it's just one thing to think about. When you understand color, it translates into all of the different things that you might be doing. So it's really important. Spend a little time on figuring it out, and once you've got it, you got it. So hope this helps you, and I'll try and show you the end of this, what I plan to do. Tell me what you think. I'm going to put a white mat around here, and then I'm going to use Wenge for the frame with a string inlay of holly to match the white on the wood ducks markings here. And I think it'll look pretty good. Tell me what you think. All right, well, it's good seeing you again, and hopefully there won't be too much lag time between the next video. All right, you guys take care.